Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. I would like to start by saying a big thank you to all of you who have supported me in the journey of my pregnancy. Thank you for your blessings. Thank you for your love, especially the media. Thank you for being so supportive and making our pregnancy journey so beautiful. I'm really happy to be here at the Apollo Children's Hospital's launch and the Apollo Pediatrics launch here. It's such a emotional journey for me, and you know, when a child gets sick, it's something very sad for the parent, but when the child goes back healthy and happy, that's pleasure for all of us. And thank you, doctors, thank you so much for bringing a smile on the children's face and on the parents' face also. As a mother, I can feel this right now. Previously, I used to see it on others, but now I know what happens to a lot of parents when the child actually gets sick. Thank you for working so hard. It really means a lot. During my pregnancy journey, I had so many people coming and supporting me, giving me advice. But with all these great blessings, I happened to come across something that was a bit painful also for a few people. So some women came up to me and then they said, you know, they really needed support. And these happened to be single mothers. So as the Vice Chairman of CSR for Apollo, may I request Tejaswi, if this is okay, can we go ahead and announce that we will have a free OPD for children over the weekends? Yes? Okay, great. Thank you, doctors. This will encourage more women to support single moms, to support their young ones. And I'm here in this journey with you. It's been an emotional journey. I feel the same way that you feel. And let's get our children healthy and happy together. Dear media, I have two very big announcements today that I'm really very proud to announce. One is that we are launching the Apollo Children's mascot, the logo, and the swing. And number two is that you will have free OPDs for your children. The single moms can come and bring in their children over the weekends. So thank you so much. And I hope this really helps. I'm with you in this journey. Before I got pregnant, I witnessed motherhood. But now, after I got pregnant, I actually know what is happening and what a mother goes through my own personal journey. I completely know how stressed a mother is when the child is not feeling too good. And I think parenting is very important, and I'm lucky to have a very nice spouse that can co-parent with me. But what about the single mothers out there who are parenting just by themselves without any help? That's where I feel the pain, and that's where I feel that, you know, I should be there and do my bit to be a support to them. So I think that's where it stemmed from. Well, my life has changed. You can see me smiling more. She's taught me the value of life. She's taught me so many new lessons in my life. But I hope with her, I also learn how to empower women to go back into the workplace after having a child, to be self-dependent, and also be able to love and give their child whatever they need, even by being financially independent, because I think that is very important. So therefore, I think that's my take on it, and I hope it goes in a big way, and I hope single mothers use this as a tool to help them get back. Well, this thought just came just now. That's why I asked Tejasvi for permission. And they're doing an amazing job. And I'm really grateful that the hospital and the doctors have come together to help single moms. I think that's really important.
First, let me thank most important person here, Miss Upasana ma'am. Ma'am, you've been a great inspiration, and what we like about you is your compassion. I think, today we have taken a commitment that the single mothers, we will do the consultations on all Sundays. Our doctors are willing, and we will do free consultations for that, for them, and if there's any treatment, we will see case-based how we can support. We'll take your compassion forward, madam, definitely. And I thank all the media persons here, brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for coming here in such big numbers. Apollo Hospitals has a big ability, to deliver the best pediatric services. We want this to be, go public on this. We are committed to deliver excellent pediatric services. We are starting in all the cities, and Hyderabad I'm sure, will be one of the best pediatric centers. I thank Mr. Tejasvi, our CEO, for his leadership and his vision. Thank you so much for all the hard work you've been doing. The team is with you. We are committed. And Dr. Rohit, I think you have been the center stage, getting all these pediatrics and genetics together. Today we are seeing all this because of all your efforts, whatever you are doing.